Host name is computer organization. Topic is program control. So let us see the topic program control. Say program control type of instruction when executed may change the address value in the program counter and cause the flow of control to be altered. So nothing but program is nothing but a set of instructions. So already everyone know that program is nothing but a set of instruction. That is, the particular program control is a type of instruction when executed may change this. So when the program control instruction is executed, it may change the address value in the program counter. So generally, you know that program count stores the address of the next instruction. If this particular program control instruction is executed, that particular program control may change the address of the next instruction and cause the flow of control to be altered. From, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So likewise, the program the instructions are executed in the program. So instructions are executed by the computer. If that particular next address instruction is stored in the particular program control counter program count. If, for example, the program control instruction is executed, the address which is stored in the program counter may be changed. That cause the flow of control to be altered. So this is, in that other words, program control instruction specifies the condition for altering the content of the program counter, while data transfer and manipulation instructions. So if there is a data transfer and manipulation instruction, so that particular program control instructions alters the content of the program counter. If we see these are the important program control instructions like jump, branch, jump, snip, call, return, compare, and test. So these are nothing but different program controls, and these are the mnemonics which are used for the branch. BR is used for the branch. For example, BR it's so nothing but branching from one place to another place. Jump. So like that, there will be different types of program control. Program control instruction, and these are the mnemonics. If it is sometimes convenient to supplement the ALU circuit, so if we have to discuss this particular status bit conditions by using this one. So this is this particular figure represents the status register bits. So B, Z, S, C, these are the some logical gates we are used, and this is nothing but the arithmetic and logical unit. It is 8-bit and A2 and F0 to F7. This particular F7 is connected to the S, and this particular C7 and C8 is connected to carry C. So there are different types of static bits conditions. So let us see one by one. So first of all, see, it is sometimes convenient to supplement the ALU circuit in the CPU with a status register. So we have to supplement some status register to the ALU. ALU is nothing but a arithmetic and logical unit. And by status bit conditions can be stored for further analysis. Status bits are also known as condition code bits or flag bits. For example, these B, Z, S, C are also known as condition code bits or a flag bits. Below figure shows the block diagram of 8-bit ALU with a 4-bit status register. The four status bits are symbolized by C, S, Z, and B. So if we see, this is a 8-bit ALU, and these are connected to the status register, and the status register is also known as condition code flags and flag bits. And this bit C is set to 1. If this particular bit C is set to 1, if the end carry C8 is 1, it is clear to 0 if carry is 0. So likewise, there will be a different types of status bit conditions. So the next one is conditional branch instruction. To change the flow of execution, we some kind of branching instruction which are depending on the some condition results. So by condition results, we have to change the flow of execution in the program. Like already previous, we see that a branch for a letter branch, for that branch we use the mnemonic B. So conditional branch instruction, if the stated condition is true, program control is transferred to the address specified by the instruction. If it is not true, it does not follow. So these are the conditional branch instructions, and these are the different conditional branch instructions mnemonics. Branch condition, branch if zero. So in the branch condition, there will be a different types of conditions. Branch epudu when nothing but if zero. Branch if not zero. So likewise, there will be different test conditions, tested conditions, and branches condition, and these are the mnemonics, and these are the unsigned compare conditions, and these are the signed compare conditions. And last one, program interrupt. We have to discuss some small concept in the program control is program interrupt. Generally, what do you mean by interrupt? So every time you have to remember that every time the computer, there will be different types of devices that are attached to a computer, like keyboard, mouse, monitor. So these devices are connected to the particular system. So whenever the particular computer wants to provide a service to the particular device, it should ask that particular device you are if you are if the particular transaction be done or not. So this particular one is directly initially interacted by the computer, but by that one every time it will checks that the computer will checks that every device that you are ready to interact with us. So like that there will be a decrease, nothing but program execution time will be increased. So like that there should be one problem with that particular one. So interrupt is one concept. So the device which is ready to interact with the computer, that device should perform some interrupt to the system. When the interrupt is signal is received by the computer will think that that particular device wants some data, some transfer of program control. So this is the particular nothing but a program control. Interrupt. Program interrupt refers to the transfer of control from a currently running program to another service program as a result of external or internal generated request. For example, if there is a keyboard and a mouse, printer and a keyboard. For example, input device is keyboard and output device is printer. If the particular system is interacted with the printer, but the keyboard also wants to interact with the particular system. So the keyboard initially gives one request to the system that I want to transfer data. So that suddenly the I am giving some examples. Suddenly the particular system will stops the printing. Then it will receive the request from a keyboard and then interact with the particular keyboard. So here currently running program is printing, and the particular external or internal generated request is keyboard. So then the transfer of program control from changes to the printer to the keyboard. So like that, there are the three types of interrupts that cause a break in the normal execution of the program. So those are external interrupts, internal interrupts, and software interrupts. Glossary one. Program control means program control instruction specifies conditions for altering the content of the program. Already you know that program control is nothing but it which stores the address of the next instruction. Generally, there will be different types of instructions in your program. Each instruction is executed by using the program control. So next topic we are going to discussing is reduced instruction set. Reduced instruction set computer. Sample short answers questions are what is the program control, what is subroutine call. So like that there will be different types of short answers questions. And sample long answer question is explain various types of interruption in the